Hello everyone! In this video we will create a beautiful hairstyle that you might have seen in my previous video. By the way, that video gained a lot of views and I am very glad you liked the curls, which were curled with a 32mm curling iron. If you are interested in how to create them, just watch the previous video. Today I will show you how to beautifully and voluminously style your hair while fully preserving the initial volume. It is important not to remove the volume we created and even to enhance it without twisting the hair into a very tight twist. We just slightly turn the already made curls around each other, giving them direction but not compressing them into a twist so as not to lose volume. It is convenient to first secure with a clip, then gently pull out the volume and only then secure with an invisible hairpin. If you tighten the twist too much and immediately secure it with an invisible hairpin, it will be very difficult to evenly pull out the volume. Also, after each securing, it is better to gently comb the hair from below to avoid catching it. On top, as shown in the video, 3 curls are curled, which we also gently comb to ensure no teasing is visible. We carefully turn the curls around each other, avoiding creating straight lines, as this creates a softer and more natural look. After creating the hairstyle, be sure to fix it with both aerosol and liquid hairspray. I hope you like this video as much as the previous one. I look forward to your comments. I know that such a hairstyle is in demand all over the world. Unlike various trends for structured hairstyles, voluminous curls remain popular almost everywhere, so I hope this video will be useful to you. Please write all your questions in the comments, I look forward to answering them. Unlock 7 days of free access to my complete styling course on Patreon. Enjoy over 70 hours of videos in English, lists of essential products and tools, exclusive courses on boho styles, waves, curls and more. Plus, get the Wave and Glam Hair Transformation course. Join now and start your free trial today.